In this video, I'll show you guys one of the easiest trading strategies in binary option trading that helped me to get results like this. Without much talk, let's go to the video. As always, I'll first place a trade in the market using this strategy. Then I'll move on to the explanation of the strategy itself and how to set up the required indicators. Finally, I will place a few more trades in the market according to the strategy and assess its success rate. Now let's place the first trade. According to the indicators and the strategy, this point of the market will be a good entry point for a sell trade. So, I will put a $100 sell trade with a 1-minute trade duration. As you guys saw, I easily won that trade and got back $89 as profit. Now let's move on to the explanation of the strategy. The main component of this strategy is these two moving average lines. To add these to your market, first go to the Indicators tab in your broker. Then select the Moving Average indicator. Set the type of the moving average to EMA and period to 3. This short-term moving average will quickly react to price changes in the market and capture recent trends. To add the second indicator, again, go to the Indicators tab and select the Moving Average indicator. Select the type as EMA and set the period to 8. This medium-term indicator will react a bit slower to the market price, giving a smoother and broader trend. Because the 3 EMA moving average reacts faster to the market, whenever the market has a sudden change in its momentum, this line will cross the slower moving 8 EMA moving average line. So, depending on the direction of these lines, we go for a buy or sell trade. For instance, here we can see that the 3 EMA line has crossed and gone above the 8 EMA line, which indicates a sudden upward movement in the market. If we place a buy trade at this moment in the market, we would have easily won that trade. Conversely, if we enter the market with a sell trade-in moment like this, where the 3 EMA line was initially on top and crossed below the slow-moving EMA line, we will have a good chance of winning that trade. However, because of the extreme simplicity of this strategy, using only these 2 indicators can sometimes be somewhat risky. If we look at this market, here we can see that even though the indicators signaled a sell trade initially, the market changed its direction after a few seconds and went upwards. To reduce the risk levels and increase the success rate of this strategy, one thing we can do is use support and resistance levels. Instead of placing trades at every moving average cross, we can place trades in places like this, where the market has touched the support or resistance levels and both moving averages have crossed. Confirming both of these will highly increase the success rate of your trades. Apart from resistance and support levels, we can also use indicators like MACD and RSI to find oversold and overbought states in the market. Then, if the markets are in an oversold or overbought state, and the 2 moving averages crossed, we can go for a trade accordingly. Now let's place a few more trades using this strategy. Here we can see the 3 EMA line has crossed above the 8 EMA line, signaling an upward trend. So I will place a $100 buy trade in the market. Well, we lost that trade. If we were to enter a bit earlier, we would have won that trade. Let's not give up and place a few more trades. After a long downtrend, the market seems to have changed its direction. So we'll go for a $100 buy trade on the market. We won that trade and got an $89 profit. After that short uptrend, the market seems to be heading towards a downtrend again. We'll wait until the two lines cross and place a sell trade on the market. We won that trade as well. This brings my total profit to $167 with just 4 trades. So, I hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video.